Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a video on the HP 23.8-inch LED monitor, model number 24W. This is a unboxing, setup, and review video. So let's go ahead and get started by taking a quick look at the front of the box here. And there's nothing special, so we're going to go ahead and take my trusted pocket knife that I've used for years and unbox the box quickly. And once we have the top lid open, we can go ahead and slide out the contents here so that we can see very quickly what was in the box. And first of all, we have a VGA cable, and we don't get an HDMI cable, but we do get a power cord. Alright, and we also get a DVD disc, and we get one part of the stand, and we also get a second part of the stand. And obviously we have to assemble the two pieces together, and we'll do that in just a few moments. Alright, the stand seems relatively well made. It seems solid. We'll go ahead and put it together like I said we were going to do, and it just slips right in, and give it a little tap, and we're all set and ready to put that on the back of the monitor. Now, talking about the monitor itself, let's pull that out. And initially we get a quick setup page or piece of paper or cover here that very quickly demonstrates how to assemble the monitor. Basically put the stand on and how to tilt it. Okay, as you can see, the front of the monitor, it's nice and crisp and clear, and black. Also on the back, it is black, and there's a nice finish on it actually on the back as well. I like that. And then if we look on the bottom here, we see a VGA port, an HDMI port, and a power port, and also where to put the or slide the stand into on the monitor. So let me go ahead and grab the stand here and position it right into the center slot on the back of the monitor, and it positions itself without any difficulty at all, and no tools required. By the way, you can push this button right on top here, and that will remove the stand from the monitor anytime you would like it to not be attached to the monitor. Okay, let's take a look at the front side here. We have a nice black finish on the monitor, and we also have an ultra thin bezel on three sides of it. We have a anti-glare screen, which does an excellent job in decreasing the amount of glare from your blinds, the sunshine coming in through your windows, or bright overhead lights. Definitely decreases it quite significantly. It also has an IPS display, by the way, and it is a 5 millisecond response time at 60 hertz refresh rate. Alright, let's take a look at the side view here so that you can see that the stand has the ability to tilt forward -5 degrees, and it also allows you to tilt it backwards +23 degrees, which is nice if you want to stand up and look at the monitor from a standing position. Now taking a look at the back of the monitor here, on the side we have the menu buttons, and let's take a close-up look here. We also have a power button as well on the bottom here. Alright, let's go ahead and demonstrate how the menu works. I'll push the menu button on the back side of the monitor, and the on-screen menu here, I'm just demonstrating the viewing modes: low blue light, night light, reading, multimedia, photo, and you can customize your viewing mode as well. What is missing is the gaming mode. This is not a gaming monitor, by the way. It also has all the other customized controls: brightness, contrast, and so forth. Now let's take a quick look at the power light on the front of the monitor here. It's an LED light. It's white and it's very bright in my opinion. And I've decided personally to put a piece of black tape on the LED light myself. And here's a full view of the display. The IPS panel delivers clear and crisp colors, and they appear, in my opinion, to be true to life colors as well. This should make a great photo editing and video editing monitor, thanks to the IPS panel. Now this monitor also delivers 5 milliseconds response time with a vertical refresh rate of 60 hertz, at a 1080p resolution, which would be great for using with most games and applications. Okay, one last thing I would like to show you is how much detail you can still see from the sides and the top and bottom at 178 degrees. And that is really terrific. You don't have to be looking at the monitor directly in order to see what's on the display. Alright, that's the end of this video. Subscribe if you like and leave a like if you like. Thanks for watching.